Hello everyone, Fabio Santos with another exercise for you. This one you're gonna be working on my active stretch exercise. I normally gonna suggest this to you in between exercise. So while you're resting, you're doing this as alternative. But as usual, follow your program. There will be everything detailed specifically for you. So basically I'm gonna lay flat on the floor. So ideally here is good for me because I have got like clean mats and all that. But if you're in a gym, maybe get a yoga mat or something like that, or if you're outside, it depends on where you're at, just adapt accordingly. So I'm gonna start flat here. I'm gonna open my hands and I'm gonna roll over my shoulder and I'm gonna bring my opposite leg to the side that I'm rolling as high as I can. So if you're not completely warm, I'm gonna start and just tap my leg here and then come back, and then I do the same and then come back. Notice that when I'm leaning to the other side, my hand is moving a little bit. It's normal because I'm stretching the other shoulder. And each time as I'm getting warm, I'm trying to pull this leg as high as I can. It's almost trying to touch your hand on the other side with your leg. I'll be very impressed if you can. So no problem, but what I'm trying to do is reach it out as long as I can. Reach out as long as I can. And it depends on which stage that you're doing. Again, respect the tempo on your program. Some of them I might ask you to hold it there, so I'm just holding there as high as I can and then come back. Some of them I might want the momentum, but it depends on which part of the train. But what we want to focus on, keep that hand there, and I'm pushing my foot as high as I can. When I come back, I turn my head to the other side, and then I'm pushing again to the other side. I hope that makes sense. Any questions, as usual, get in touch, and I see you on the next one.